This is the second video of Gavotte by Martini for viola. In the first video, we looked at the meter signature and the key signature, and I played the first 8 measures for you. Those same 8 measures will be repeated throughout the piece. So even though it's 2 pages long, it won't be as hard because you're going to hear that over and over again. Now look at measure 8 through 16. In this, it has a variation, and it has an E flat in measure 9, also in measure 11, in measure 13. In measure 14, it has a F sharp. In measure 15, it has a B flat and an F sharp. Now, an E flat is a low first finger on the D. And a B flat is a low first finger on the A. So let me start halfway through measure 8. So that's G, F natural, E flat. Then it does the same thing again. Then second half of 12. And then C natural, A, F sharp. Do it again. So I'm going to play that again. From the middle of measure 8 until the middle of measure 16.